Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to create Twitter poll. So let's get started. Launch Twitter app, then tap on this plus button, and here you will see this little icon. You just tap on this little icon and here we create a poll. Now we should ask a question here. For example, you write test, enter answer choice 1, choice 2, for example, is answer second. Then if you need a third answer, you just tap on this plus button and here you can create third answer, and then you should tap on tweet at the top right corner. Now you can see your tweet was sent, and here as you can see we create a new Twitter poll. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.